Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best Fluke 117 is probably one of the most essential tools for any electrician or serious DIYer, offering a blend of professional-grade accuracy and user-friendly features that make troubleshooting and electrical work more efficient and reliable than ever before. This multimeter is designed to handle a wide range of electrical testing needs, from basic voltage checks to more complex current and resistance measurements, ensuring you have the right data at your fingertips to diagnose problems and complete tasks safely and effectively. Number 5. Fluke 117 Digital Multimeter. Introducing the Fluke 117 Digital Multimeter, designed for efficiency and accuracy. It's the reliable tool you need for a wide range of electrical measurements. Featuring Volt Alert technology, it provides non-contact AC voltage detection for added safety. Easily check for voltage without direct contact. With AutoVolt technology, it automatically selects between AC and DC voltage. This simplifies your workflow, allowing you to focus on the task at hand. Its low input impedance mode helps prevent false readings caused by ghost voltage. You can trust its measurements, even in challenging conditions. Equipped with a large, white LED backlight, it ensures visibility in dimly lit areas. Work comfortably and accurately, no matter the environment. It delivers True-RMS measurements, ensuring accuracy even with nonlinear loads. Get precise results every time for your critical applications. Enjoy extended use with a typical battery life of 400 hours, even without the backlight. This multimeter is built to last through your demanding workdays. What we like. This meter offers Volt Alert technology for quick, non-contact voltage detection. Its low impedance mode prevents false readings from ghost voltage. If you frequently work in dimly lit areas or need to quickly check for voltage without direct contact, this is a great choice. What people say. The Fluke 117 is a great meter for electricians. It has a built-in voltage detector that can sense AC voltage without contact. This meter is very accurate and easy to use. The display is clear and easy to read, even in bright sunlight. The Fluke 117 has a good range of functions, including resistance, capacitance, and frequency measurements. It also has a minute max average function that is useful for troubleshooting. Number 4. Fluke 117 323 Kit Multimeter and Clamp Meter Combo. Introducing the Fluke 117 323 Kit, a powerful combination for electricians. This kit includes a versatile multimeter and a reliable clamp meter. The multimeter accurately measures both AC and DC voltage, along with AC and DC amps. You can trust its readings for a wide range of applications. Experience True-RMS measurements with the multimeter, ensuring accuracy even on complex, nonlinear loads. This feature is crucial for precise diagnostics. The multimeter's low input impedance helps eliminate ghost voltage, preventing false readings and giving you confidence in your measurements. The included clamp meter also offers True-RMS for AC voltage and current, providing accurate results on nonlinear signals. It measures up to 400 A AC current and 600 VAC DC voltage. This comprehensive kit comes with test leads, a TPAK, and a carrying case, making it ready for any job. It's the perfect toolset for residential and commercial electricians. What we like. This kit combines a versatile multimeter with a clamp meter for comprehensive electrical work. It's ideal for residential and commercial electricians who need to measure both voltage and current up to 400 A. If you're looking for a convenient all-in-one solution for general electrical tasks, this combo is for you. What people say. The Fluke 117 has a built-in non-contact voltage detector, which is a great safety feature. It has a good range of functions for general electrical work, including voltage, resistance, and continuity testing. The meter is compact and easy to handle, making it convenient for use in tight spaces. Number 3. Fluke 116 323 HVAC Multimeter and Clamp Meter Combo Kit. Introducing the Fluke 116 323 HVAC Combo Kit, your essential tool for professional HVAC work. This kit combines a versatile multimeter and a powerful clamp meter for comprehensive measurements. The multimeter in this kit features a built-in thermometer, perfect for all your HVAC temperature testing needs. It ensures you get accurate readings quickly and efficiently. Easily test flame sensors with its microamp measurement capability. This feature allows for precise diagnostics, ensuring your heating systems are functioning correctly. With its low input impedance, it helps prevent false readings caused by ghost voltage. You can rely on accurate measurements, even in complex electrical environments. The clamp meter measures up to 400 amps of AC current and 600 volts of AC and DC voltage. It's designed to handle a wide range of electrical demands. Experience accurate measurements on nonlinear signals thanks to its True-RMS capabilities for both AC voltage and current. This ensures reliable performance in diverse applications. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for HVAC technicians, featuring microamp measurement for flame sensors and a built-in thermometer. If you're in the HVAC field and need specialized tools for troubleshooting heating and cooling systems, this combo offers the precise functions you require. What people say. The Fluke 117 is a great meter for electricians and HVAC technicians. It has a good range of features, including voltage, current, resistance, and capacitance. The meter is also very durable and easy to use. Number 2. Fluke 376FC Clamp Meter. Introducing the Fluke 376FC, a versatile clamp meter designed for modern electrical work. It allows you to log and trend measurements, helping you pinpoint those tricky intermittent faults with ease. Safety is paramount. With its Bluetooth connectivity, you can capture measurements from a safe distance, staying outside the arc flash zone. This feature works seamlessly with your Apple or Android devices. Easily log and trend your measurements over time. This capability is crucial for diagnosing and understanding performance issues in electrical systems. Capture readings without being directly next to the equipment. This enhances safety and convenience, especially in challenging environments. Transmit your results wirelessly using the powerful Fluke Connect Measurements app. This allows for efficient data management and reporting, all from your mobile device. Don't let intermittent faults slow you down. This tool provides the data you need to identify and resolve them quickly and efficiently. What we like. This clamp meter allows you to log and trend measurements wirelessly via Bluetooth to your smart devices. It's perfect for pinpointing intermittent faults and capturing readings safely from outside the arc flash zone. If you need to monitor and record electrical data remotely or troubleshoot complex issues, this wireless option is invaluable. What people say. The Fluke 117 is a reliable and accurate multimeter, essential for any electrician or serious DIYer. Its compact design makes it easy to handle and store, while the large, backlit display ensures readability in various lighting conditions. The integrated non-contact voltage detection is a standout feature, adding an extra layer of safety and convenience for quick checks. Number 1. Fluke 179 and 323 True-RMS Combo Kit. Discover the ultimate solution for industrial service needs. This kit combines advanced troubleshooting capabilities with essential measurement tools. Equipped with a full-featured digital multimeter, it excels at diagnosing complex electrical and electronic systems. Effortlessly pinpoint issues with precision. Measure up to 1000 volts AC or DC with the multimeter, and up to 400 amps AC using the included clamp meter. It handles a wide range of industrial demands. All components are neatly organized in a sleek, durable carrying case. It's designed for easy transport and protection in any work environment. This combo kit is your go-to for reliable performance and efficiency. It provides the tools you need to get the job done right, every time. What we like. This is a robust industrial service kit, perfect for advanced electronic troubleshooting. It includes a high-capacity multimeter and clamp meter, along with a thermometer for comprehensive diagnostics. If you're an industrial technician dealing with complex electrical and electronic systems, this kit provides the power and versatility you need. What people say. The Fluke 117 is a great meter for electricians and HVAC technicians. It has a bright white LED backlight that makes it easy to read in dark environments. The meter also features a built-in voltage detector that can sense AC voltage without contact. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.